Hello, my name is Vince Williams, and I'm the President and CEO of the Chicago Minority Supplier Development Council. And on behalf of our Board of Directors, Minority Business Enterprises, partners, and committees, welcome to the Chicago Minority Supplier Development Council's information session with Walmart. We truly miss our traditional ways of interacting with everyone, so I've opted to provide this virtual experience and are proud to announce that this platform is with a certified minority business, Virtual Fusion. The ChicagoMSDC is a premier organization for increasing business opportunities between major buying organizations and minority-owned businesses. We were founded on two fundamental principles. There had to be a partnership between minority business, corporate America, and government, and there had to be basic fairness in the marketplace for all. We have been at this for 54 years now, and we provide the gold standard to actively certify, develop, advocate, and connect our MBEs to each other as well as business opportunities. We partner and share the information you seek to become a part of these buyers' vendor databases and learn of contracts on the horizon. Our connections are strategic and intentional connections, and we curate them in the form of webinars and other events like today's information session. We strive to help MBE businesses continue to thrive by way of identifying additional areas of development, growth, sustainability, and foreshadowing profitable relationships. At Walmart, they are at their best when they promote diversity across their entire supply chain. And this is accomplished by delivering better products and a broader selection to the communities they serve. Thank you to Walmart for the information that you will share on what entrepreneurs need to know. Please be sure to follow us on social media and learn of our upcoming events at www.chicagomsdc.org.